MOIL recruitment. MOIL stands for Manganese Ore India Limited. A recruitment for graduate trainees and managers, that is survey. The advertisement number is GTMGR 09/2021. So they are recruiting for the post of graduate trainees and manager. The important dates, that is the online application starts from 25th of August 2021 and ends on 15/9/2021, that is September 15, 2021. So you can apply through the website www.moil.nic.in. and the qualifications and eligibility criteria for the post of a graduate trainee under the stream of mechanical. The eligibility criteria is BE or BTech in mechanical or equivalent from the recognized university. And for graduate trainee electrical, the eligibility criteria is BE or BTech in electrical or electrical and electronics or electronics and telecommunication or power or equivalent from recognized university. And for manager survey, the requisite qualification is graduate from recognized university and or diploma in mining and mining surveying, or diploma in civil engineering or equivalent, or surveyor certificate of competency and a minimum 2 years of experience, or diploma in mining and mining surveying in civil engineering or equivalent with the surveyor's competency, so minimum of 4 years experience. So there should be an experience of 4 years if you have this diploma, or there should be experience of 2 years if you have this criteria. So this is the post for the management manager and the survey. And the qualification for general category and OBC EWS, the requisite percentage is 60%. For SC/ST candidates, the minimum qualifying mark should be 55 in order to apply for the post of the reservation. So if you have CGPA, the CGPA will be 6, will be considered as 60%. And for SC/ST OBCs, the post shall be considered on a general category of merit, and no relaxation in the upper age limit qualifying marks will be given. However, there is no online application fees is applicable to SC/ST and PWD. So the relaxation for age here is not given. So the number of vacancies, tentative vacancies for mechanical, there are total 4 vacancies. For general category 2 vacancies, for SC category 1 and OBC NCL, that is one post. So for electrical, total 4 vacancies, general 1, EWS 1 and OBC 1 vacancy. And for survey, there are 3 vacancies, general 2 and OBC 1. Put together there are 11 vacancies in this notification. So selection procedure will be a computer based test and followed by interview. And the test of the cities here is specified. The computer online test will be in these cities: Bengaluru, Delhi, Kolkata, Mumbai, Chennai, Hyderabad, Bhopal, Nagpur. So these are the cities where the online test will be held, and candidates may opt 2 centers while filling the application form. And the online examination will be computer based online examination, which will be 90 minutes consisting of objective, that is MCQs, 85 questions, that is 85 marks breakout with general knowledge reasoning for 20 marks, and general English for 10 marks. And this is the segment 1, and subject knowledge will be of 55 marks. So 90 minutes, 85 marks, GK reasoning for 20 marks and English for 10 marks, and subjective knowledge, that is 55 marks. So 55 marks will be of subject knowledge, GK reasoning 20 marks, English 10 marks. So the computer based examination will be held online, and question paper will be available both in Hindi and English, except the English version, that is English questions. The rest of the questions will be available in bilingual, that is Hindi and English. So the qualifying mark for the computer based online test is 50% marks for general EWS category, and for SC/ST, SC and OBC because there are no vacancies for ST. That's why SC, OBC, that is 40% of marks in each segment. So the rest, the one qualifies the first exam, that is computer based exam, they will be called for personal interview on the basis on the merit of 1:6, keeping the view of provision of reservations for different categories. And personal interview, the list of candidates who are provisionally selected, and the personal interview will be of 15 marks. So the final selection will be based on computer based test followed by personal interview. And the application fees for general OBC candidates is rupees 100, and for SC, ST, EWS or employees of MOIL Limited are exempted from payment of any fees. So the upper age limit is 30 years for graduate trainees as of 15/9/2021 for general EWS category, and 35 years for the post of manager, that is survey. Upper age limit is relaxable for 3 years for OBC and 5 years for SC category. So relaxation for ex-serviceman category candidates is plus 3 years. So the upper age limit is relaxable to the candidates at the maximum age applicant of the crucial date as of 15/9/2021 shall not exceed more than 15 years. So this is the upper age limit criteria, and there are reservations and relaxations. The basic pay will be around, that is grade pay will be around 50,000 to 1,60,000 after you will be selected as a graduate trainee, that is E2 cadre, and initial basic will be 50,000 per month with a consolidated amount during the training period. And after the selection, and you will be observed after the 1 year of training, you will be observed into E2 category, E2 grade, with the pay scale of 50,000 to 1,60,000. So this is regarding the MOIL recruitment for graduate trainee or manager and manager survey. These are the tentative dates. These are the important dates. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.